Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you other scenarios with different restrictions in which fundamental counting principle can be applied. So let's start. Example 7. How many different 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 if the number is even and each digit is distinct? 4-digit numbers, 4 places. Since the number is even, we will start choosing the last digit. The digits that are even are 0, 2, and 4. There are 3 cases. For case 1, the last digit is 0. This is fixed and it is only one choice, that is 0. Going back to the first digit, since 0 is not allowed in the first digit and each digit is distinct, that means digit can only be used once. There are 5 choices for the first digit, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After selecting the first digit, there are 4 remaining choices for the second digit. After selecting the second digit, there are 3 remaining choices for the third digit. Multiply, so there are 64 digit numbers with the last digit is 0. Case 2, the last digit is 2. It is fixed. There is only one choice for this. Going back to the first digit, each digit is distinct and 0 cannot be the first digit. So there are 4 choices for the first digit, that is 1, 3, 4, and 5. After selecting the first digit, repetition is not allowed. There is 4 remaining choices because 0 can be in this position or place. And then there are 3 remaining choices for the third digit. So we have 48 4-digit numbers with the last digit is 2. Case 3, the last digit is 4. There's only one choice. Going back to the first digit, thousands place cannot be a 0. Each digit is distinct or repetition is not allowed. There are 4 choices for the first digit, that is 1, 2, 3, and 5. After selecting the first digit, there are 4 remaining choices for the second digit including 0. Then 3 choices for the third digit. Then we have 48 4-digit numbers with the last digit is 4. And for step 2, add the cases. So there are 60 plus 48 plus 48. So there are 156 different 4-digit even numbers with no repetition. Example 8. How many different 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 if the number must include the digit 5 and no digit is repeated? Since the digit 5 is included, we fixed it in one of the 4 positions. It could be the first position, the second, the third, or the fourth. So there are 4 choices for the position of the digit 5. Then choosing the remaining 3 digits. After fixing the digit 5, we have 7 digits left to choose from. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. We need to choose 3 out of 7 digits. 7, then 6 for the next, and then 5 remaining choices for the last digit. Therefore, there are 840 possible 4-digit numbers in which the number must include the digit 5 and no digit is repeated. Example 9. In how many distinct ways can the letters of the word humble be arranged if the third letter is M and the last letter is L? There are 6 letters in the word humble. The third letter is M, so it is fixed in the third position. So there is only one choice for the third position. Then the last letter is L. There is only one choice for this position, and that is L. And arrange the remaining 4 letters H, U, B, and E in the 4 remaining positions. So first letter, there are 4 choices, 3 remaining choices for the second, for the fourth there are 2, and the remaining 1 choice for the fifth. So there are 24 distinct ways to arrange the letters in the word humble such that the third letter is M and the last letter is L. So that's it. I hope you've learned something from this. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more.